Concept: Community commerce uses proximity to counter speed in logistics, forming a barrier and becoming a commercial landscape that cannot be replaced by the internet. I call the 5-kilometer distance circle around your home a business district. People go to Walmart to shop because of its extremely rich variety of goods and relatively low prices. However, you have to drive 5 kilometers or take a bus to buy them. This business model, which sacrifices distance efficiency to obtain the opportunity to observe goods on site, was the first to be impacted by the internet. Number One Store and Tmall Supermarket have more varieties and lower prices, and the logistics efficiency of delivering goods the next day is more convenient for a large number of lazy people than being 5 kilometers away from home, so large supermarkets are generally being impacted. The kings of business districts, such as Suning, Gome, Metro, and Red Star Macaline are also in the ranks of being impacted. I call the 1-kilometer distance circle around your home a community. After dinner today, I went downstairs for a walk and wanted to drink a cup of yogurt. I want to ask you, would you go to Number One Store to buy it at this time? I wouldn't, because even if I buy it at Number One Store, it will arrive the next morning at the earliest. At this time, being close enough begins to play its advantages. The 1-kilometer distance circle begins to effectively target the logistics system of the internet, demonstrating vitality. Application: More extreme ways for communities and households. The community is a range within 100 meters. Now there are companies that provide property services for communities without property fees. They make money from various services, such as ordering meals for homeowners. They can call me, and I will find the corresponding restaurant to buy it, and make money for the restaurant. They can also grasp the consumption records of community residents and derive various business models, such as various advertisements, express boxes, and so on. Real estate developers have natural advantages in developing community economies. Color Life, which focuses on community commerce, went public in Hong Kong with a market-to-earnings ratio as high as 60 times, becoming a dark horse among Hong Kong-listed real estate companies. Closer than the community is the family. The family is truly zero distance. Xiaomi, Huawei, and Hai are all doing smart homes, and there are many business opportunities in this field because the closest thing to consumers in the future may be smart homes. For example, after washing machines and refrigerators can go online, they can become new channels to place orders for clothing and food companies. You can complete an order as soon as you think of it. Imagine that your refrigerator can intelligently recognize the food in it. When the milk is about to expire, it reminds you to drink it or make a milk and fish soup. When there are only 6 eggs left, it automatically places an order with an online store. When you say in your circle of friends that you want to eat sour and spicy fish on the weekend, it automatically buys the relevant materials according to the recipe and delivers them on Friday night. Smart homes are zero-distance channels. Summary: Understanding community business. Community business is a business model that uses proximity on distance to compete with fast on logistics in the mobile internet era. Simply put, from a 5-kilometer business district to a 1-kilometer community, to a 100-meter residential area, to a zero-distance family, the closer to consumers, the more competitive advantages. Offline business will not be replaced. The internet is constantly attacking zero distance with information symmetry and efficient logistics, while offline business is using better experiences to hold the last kilometer and constantly break through. The ultimate competition of channels is the true zero distance.